Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to My Meals Monday. So I actually haven't filmed one of these for about a week, 2 weeks now. So today I used the Root Health Muesli Super Fruity, and I just popped it in a bowl with a bit of cinnamon and some almond milk, and then after it cooked I put banana on top. But I do want to tell you, when you like, one of the things to do when you cook oatmeal is add extra milk, because after you take it off the heat, it's going to like solidify more, I guess you would call it. So I always add extra milk, and like when I take it off the heat, it always looks really watery, but it really just ends up solidifying. And then I put in a whole banana. I don't have any other fruit right now, so that is just going to have to do. I just realized I forgot to make a coffee, so I have an iced espresso. This is the Vivaldo Lungo from Nespresso, and I drink it just like this now. So I am going to have my first lunch from 22 Day Nutrition, and it is day 1 sesame cauliflower rice. So it says heating instructions: 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave, then additional 5-second intervals until heated to your liking. Time varies. What do you do with the plastic? Do you take the plastic off? Let's see. Oh my gosh, I don't know. It doesn't say. Let's see. Oh, I don't see it. I'm so confused. What do you do with the plastic? Does it say somewhere? Alright, I'm just gonna have to do it in a pan. Oh no, my screen has quit working, so I don't have any way of seeing what it's filming. Anyways, I just cut the thing off. It smells delicious. What does that smell like? It's like, I don't know. I can't think of it. What's in here? Oh, it's the yellow bell pepper. That's what I'm smelling. It smells good though. So let's pop this in the pan. Making a mess. Okie dokie, guys, it's ready. I only put half in here because it seemed like such a huge serving. This is the sesame cauliflower rice, and it has like summer squash and almonds, and so let's see what's exactly in here. Brown rice, onion, white cauliflower, yellow bell pepper, yellow squash, parsley, garlic, almond, sesame oil, maple syrup, balsamic vinegar, marjoram, curry powder, basil, black pepper, and sea salt, all organic. So I'm just having a snack. I apologize if I'm not in frame. My screen is currently pink and blue, and it's like, looks like it's raining. I just can't see anything. So I did order a new camera, but sorry if I'm not in frame or if half my face is. Anyways, this is what it looks like. These are Cara oranges. Right now is the season. So if you're into oranges, get some because they are delicious. Okie dokie, guys. So tonight's dinner is creamy asparagus and white beans. This is what it looks like. I heated it up in the microwave. Not sure if it's going to be as yummy, but I just didn't want to make any more mess with dishes because today is Sunday and I am trying desperately to clean my office and my bathroom, and I feel like I'm falling behind because it's already almost 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat this and get back to work. I wanted to tell you, what did I have for lunch? The brown rice and cauliflower. I thought it was actually really good. The only thing is I felt like it was a lot of rice and not a lot of vegetables, and like with this I see a lot of white beans, and I would love a bit more veg in these meals because they're like a lot of white beans, a lot of rice, And especially with the cauliflower one, there was like 2 pieces of cauliflower in it. So that's my only criticism so far. Alright guys, I am going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed the first day of 22-day nutrition. It was a bit heavy on the rice and the beans. I just wish there was a bit more veg in there, but it was still really good. I loved all the flavors. And it kind of gives me ideas of what I can be doing in the future once this like meal delivery thing runs out. So I'm kind of excited of taking some of the stuff that I'm eating and seeing from them and turning it into my own little recipes. But I gotta do the dishes and then head off to bed, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.